Cookbook for the Universe Section 3, Disclaimers. The Cookbook for the Universe is an exploration of ideas that bridge established scientific principles with new perspectives aimed at unifying diverse phenomena into a cohesive framework. While the theories and concepts presented here are deeply rooted in known scientific methods, they also venture into speculative realms to challenge the boundaries of conventional understanding. In doing so, the following disclaimers apply. 3.1. Speculative Framework. The ideas presented in this book, particularly those derived from relative gravity (RG) and the delta phenomenon, integrate established principles with new interpretations and abstractions. These concepts are offered as a means to inspire thought and exploration, rather than as definitive scientific truths. By Orion Carl Daly 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to Describe the Mechanics of the Universe 3.2. Respect for Established Science. This work does not seek to dismiss or undermine the achievements of classical mechanics, relativity, quantum mechanics, or string theory. Instead, it recognizes these as critical stepping stones that inform and complement the ideas explored here. 3.3. Integration with established laws. Relative gravity, as proposed in this book, respects the foundational laws of Newton, Kepler, Einstein, and other scientific pioneers. It builds upon these frameworks, treating them as special cases or subsets within a broader context that accommodates their inherent symmetries and limitations. 3.4. Interpretive nature. The book often relies on metaphorical and conceptual explanations to bridge abstract scientific principles with intuitive understanding. These explanations are not intended to replace rigorous mathematical proofs, but to provide accessible pathways for readers to engage with complex ideas. 3.5. Limitations of the model. While relative gravity attempts to provide a unifying framework, it acknowledges the limitations of current knowledge and tools. The theories presented here are part of an ongoing dialogue within the scientific community and are open to refinement, validation, or rejection based on empirical evidence. 3.6. Applicability across scales. The principles of RG and the delta phenomenon are applied across both cosmic and quantum scales. This unification may introduce apparent contradictions when juxtaposed against specialized models tailored to specific scales or phenomena. Readers are encouraged to consider these differences as opportunities for further exploration. 3.7. Creative approach. Certain aspects of this work incorporate imaginative elements, including conceptual visualizations and hypothetical scenarios. These are used to illustrate ideas and foster curiosity rather than to assert conclusive scientific findings. 3.8. Collaborative inquiry. The Cookbook for the Universe invites readers, scientists, and thinkers to join in the exploration of its concepts. The ideas presented here are not the final word but part of a larger journey toward understanding the universe and our place within it. By Orion Carl Daly 2. Cookbook for the Universe 3.9. How Relative Gravity Respects Science. Relative gravity is an attempt to expand, not discard, the rich legacy of scientific thought that has shaped our understanding of the universe. 3.9.1 Symmetry with Foundational Laws. RG respects the symmetry inherent in Newton's laws of motion, Einstein's theories of relativity, and the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. It views these established principles as harmonious components of a larger system. 3.9.2 Polymorphism of Laws. By adopting an object-oriented framework, RG allows classical and modern laws to coexist as polymorphic expressions of the same underlying phenomena. For example, Newton's gravitational law is treated as a specific case within the broader framework of relative equilibrium. 3.9.3 Conservation Principles. RG emphasizes the conservation of energy, momentum, and symmetry, aligning with core tenets of physics. Interpretations aim to preserve these principles while extending their applicability to new contexts. 3.9.4 Acknowledging empirical evidence. RG does not reject empirical observations, but instead seeks to reinterpret them in a way that unifies disparate phenomena. This includes embracing validated results from experiments and observations as the foundation for theoretical innovation. By Orion Carl Daly 3. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to Describe the Mechanics of the Universe 3.9.5 Complementing Theories. Instead of opposing string theory, quantum mechanics, or relativity, RG complements these by addressing their gaps and inconsistencies. It provides a lens through which their intersections can be better understood. 3.9.6 Encouraging Open Dialogue. RG embodies the spirit of scientific inquiry by inviting critique, collaboration, and refinement. It acknowledges that science is an iterative process where ideas evolve through testing, debate, and discovery. By Orion Carl Daly 4.